We are pleased to announce that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has appointed Mr. Dave Gomez as Secretary of the Presidential Communications Office and Attorney Sharon Garin as Secretary of the Department of Energy. Secretary Gomez brings decades of experience in journalism, government and corporate communications, having served as a senior reporter, Director General of the Philippine Information Agency and Communications Director at PMFTC Incorporated. Secretary Dave will ensure clear and truthful government messaging for every Filipino. Secretary Garin is a lawyer and CPA with extensive public service experience, having served as a multi-term Iloilo representative and DOE Undersecretary with a strong background in energy policy and legislation to advance accessible, reliable, and sustainable energy for our people. We look forward to their leadership as we strengthen government communications and secure our country's energy needs under Bago Pilipinas. Si Secretary J po ay magiging miyembro po ng Board of Directors ng MECO. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating press briefing. Magandang araw para sa Bagong Pilipinas.